What's up, guys? In this episode, we are going to speak about coil or inductor. What can it do? It is so easy. We use this coil is to boost the voltage from battery from 4.2 up to 30 volt. Okay, sounds well? Sounds super well. Especially in the backlight circuit, failure of coil can lead to no backlight issue, and this is the most probably issue that you are going to see from the coil itself. Someone is going to come to your store and he will tell you, hey dude, I don't see there is no light on the screen itself, but I can hear voices. There is something happened to the screen. What the hell happened? You are going to tell him that the coil is, you are going to take the phone and you will check the coil itself, and you will see that the coil is not working, and this is the most common issue you will see from this coil. The secondary function of the coil in network section, it's used in electronic filters to separate different electronic signals, which means that this coil can make a switch between 4G and 5G and 3G. So if someone told you there is a problem in 3G, I cannot work with the 4G or 5G, it's a coil problem, or also it may make a weak signal in whatever 5G or 4G or 3G. So this is exactly what we can do with the coil itself. How the coil looking board? It's looking like unstable big black, like this one, unstable, but this is a resistor. This is looking like this is black also, but this is so black as you can see here, and this is looking like the capacitor. It's looking like the capacitor, a stable body, but this body is not as stable as you can see here. This is not a stable body. As you can see here, this is non-stable body. This is non-stable body. All of this are coil. Okay. It always sign L. It always sign L. You will see it like this on the schematic. Okay. Okay, we can find it as L here. As you can see, it's a coil here. Coil here. How to measure coil? Just use the multimeter and continue. But here is, unlike the capacitor, you will always get a buzzer here. Okay, in case if you didn't get a buzzer here, it means that this coil is not working at all. Why? Because a coil consists of a wire. There is a wire inside it. Okay, so you must get a buzzer here, and buzzer here, which means that the coil inside is working probably. So you should get a buzzer. Okay, out of board to know the value of L. If you take it out of board to measure it, okay, one side will give value on diode. It's cool. It's super cool. You will get value on diode in case if you are going to measure it out of volt. On board, the right way is to measure the component before it and after it, exactly on diode mode, exactly as we did in the capacitor, but this way we are going to make it on diode mode, not on volt mode, which means there is a capacitor here, there is a coil here, there is a capacitor here. We are going to measure a diode mode here and a diode mode here. Okay, this is exactly as a capacitor, but instead of volt we will get a diode. Okay, sounds well, sounds well. You can do a bridge for small coils only if there's something's not working with this coil. If it is small, so small, we can take it out of board and we can make a bridge here and it will work probably. If it's big, then you need to replace it. And I always, whatever it's big or small, I just replace it. I don't like to make a bridge at all. What will happen if coil is not working in touch? Touch won't work at all, and this is the most common issue you will see. Also in backlight, there is no backlight, there is no light on the screen. In a charging problem, conversion current from route A to route B on board. This is only on iPhone. Okay, it may not charge on iPhone because there is two zones in iPhone in a charging circuit, zone A and zone B. This is on board, and this coil will transfer the voltage from here to here. Okay, in network problem, in 3G, 4G, 5G, as we said. Important note, when we are going to replace the coil from other board, you must make sure that they are the same in value exactly as capacitor. Wow, I'm proud of you, dude. We have just finished this lecture, so keep going. I'm so proud of you. See you in the next lecture.